Look at this website on my screen. It's ugly, right? Zero design, no graphics, it's look like it was made in 1999. But do you know how much this single page site makes? $5,000 a month. Because every month 1 million people search Google for S calculator. The people come here, they use the tool and the owner get paid by Google AdSense. And the best part, the owner has not touched this website in 5 years. It is 100% automatic money machine. You might be thinking, but Palash, I don't know how to code. Good news, in 2026, you don't need to know coding. ChatGPT will write the code for you. Today, I am going to show you how to build your own Microsoft Word in 10 minutes and launch it for free. First, don't try to build the next Facebook. That's too hard. We want to build a small helpful tools that people search for every day. Go to Google and look for value, inflation calculator, password generator, word counter, internet speed test. Let's pick a high value one, loan EMI calculator. Why? Because people searching for loans have money, which means advertisers pay more for this traffic. Step 2, now we build the software, but we want not write a single line of code. Open ChatGPT or Cloud, type this exact prompt, write a complete responsive code for a loan EMI calculator using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Keep everything in a single index.html file. Make the design modern, colorful and mobile friendly. ChatGPT is generating the code rapidly. Look at that. It writes the structure HTML, the style CSS and the logic JavaScript in seconds. All you have to do is click the copy code button. Now you have the code. How do you put it on the internet? Do you need to buy a server? No. We will use Netlify Drop or GitHub Pages. It is completely free. Open Notepad on your computer, paste the code, save the file as index.html. Drag and drop this file into the Netlify dashboard. The website goes live. You open the link and test the calculator. Boom! Your software is live. You now have a functioning tools that anyone in the world can use. Now, how does this free tool make money? Two ways. Number 1, Google AdSense. Once you get traffic, put Google Ads on the site. Every time someone calculated their loan, you get paid. Number 2, affiliate marketing. Under the calculator result, add a big button, apply for the best low interest loan here. Link that button to bank affiliate program. If one person gets a loan through your link, you could earn $50 to $100 commission. You are offering value and getting paid for it. In my next video, I will show you the SEO strategy of rank this new tool on the page on of Google, so you get the free traffic. Subscribe, you don't miss it. So viewers, see you next video. Till then, take care. Tata, bye bye.